How to schedule message on WhatsApp. Open the shortcut. Click on Automation. Click on plus icon. Click on Personal Automation. Click Time of Day. Now here add time. And set it to monthly. Now select the date. Click on Next. Now click on Search and search WhatsApp. Click on Send Message. Here, write the message. Add recipients. Search the person you want to send message. Add it. Turn the button on. You will see the shortcut at the top of screen. That is how you can schedule messages on WhatsApp. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.